Disney's Hollywood Hotel. Opening with the resort in 2005, this stylish Hollywood-themed hotel is great for anyone that likes glitz and glamour. It has an Art Deco architecture style with a hint of Disney magic throughout the resort. Disney's Hollywood Hotel has a great selection of recreational facilities, including an outdoor play area overlooking that amazing sea view, a huge grand piano-shaped pool area with a 28-meter water slide, and Malibu Games, an indoor arcade that offers free-to-play games at different times throughout the day. Also, in the morning, you can watch a classic Disney movie alongside Goofy in the Studio Lounge. And remember, the facilities at all three resorts are free for you to use. This hotel also has 3 amazing dining options. At Chef Mickey, you can enjoy some of your favorite dishes at this delicious international buffet, prepared by a very special cook, Chef Mickey. In addition to buffet meals, Chef Mickey also provides a la carte options with delectable local flavors that will satisfy the desire of all guests. Hollywood and Dine is a quick service restaurant offering sandwiches, dim sum, and baked rice dishes set in the lobby of a classic movie theater. Lastly, there is the Studio Lounge, which is a classic lounge bar taken straight from Hollywood's golden age. Enjoy a cocktail or beer along with a great menu offering Chinese barbecue, Indian curries, burgers, and pizzas. This is a great place to unwind after a long day at the Hong Kong Disneyland Park. Straight across from the Studio Lounge is Celebrity Gifts, your one-stop shopping destination for Disney pins, toys, clothes, collectibles, and sundries, all within the setting of a majestic movie palace. Just like the Disney Explorers Lodge, the Hollywood Hotel offers 3 types of rooms: standard, deluxe, and sea view. They all come with 2 double beds or a king-size bed, so can accommodate up to 4 adults. All the rooms keep the Art Deco style and are all beautifully furnished. Here you can compare the prices of the rooms for 2 adults and 2 children for 2 nights in November 2020. Overall, this is my least favorite of the 3 resorts, but is still a wonderful hotel that can be enjoyed by guests of all ages. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, then check out one of my other resort overviews or attraction guides. Thanks for watching.